DJI Inspire 3 is the most common and cost-effective cinematic gimbal drone out there. It has a full-frame, 8.1K, dual native ISO camera that can record RAW with 14 plus stops of dynamic range and features interchangeable proprietary lenses of 18, 24, 35, and 50mm, all at f2.8. It flies for up to 28 minutes, but flight time is reduced as weather, location altitude, and flight dynamics change. This drone is best used when a smaller footprint matters for flying through tight spaces, around talent, or when there are multiple location changes. It is also weatherproofed so it can fly in light rain, mist, snow, high altitudes, and extreme heat with ease. The Inspire 3 is also capable of flying different non-DJI lenses such as the Laowa Anamorphics or longer lenses like the 100mm Canon FD. This is possible thanks to custom lens adapters. The downside is you lose the ability to change aperture or focus during flight. The Inspire 3 is our most capable and versatile drone and is often the right tool for mini productions.